Good afternoon, friends. My name is Daniel Moore. I'm an associate broker with Dave Jones Realty, and today we are touring 14 Talmadge Hill Road in Prospect, Connecticut. This beautiful home built in 1971 sits on just under a half an acre and is almost 1,300 square feet. The upstairs has 3 bedrooms and a bathroom, and the lower level has a half bath and another bonus area used for whatever you want. It's very private, and you're gonna love it. Come on inside, let's take a look. Through the front door, we walk into the living room, very open, spacious. It gets a lot of good light. There are 2 large windows. The original hardwood floors have just been sanded. It looks like a brand new room. And another bonus is that the wood stove is in a really central location. Wood stoves are a great secondary heating source in Prospect for the upstairs, the kitchen in this area. So the living room leads into the kitchen. The kitchen is super cool. It's open, it gets a lot of light. It's got recessed lights above the sink. It's pretty open, and it leads into the pantry room slash laundry room, whatever you want to make it, which has all the electrical hookups you'll need, more windows, more light. It's just super convenient to have the space. Any homeowner will tell you there's not enough space in my house. This isn't going to be the case here. So the kitchen opens to the back deck. The back deck is super cool. It's going to be perfect for friends in the summer, you and your friends and family in the summer or even the winter. The yard is slightly sloped, so it has a perfect view of the shed and the rest of the yard, which is bounded by the stone wall. Right up from the living room is the dorming area. There are 3 bedrooms and a full bath to my left. The whole house is really centrally located. It's hard to say where the heart of the house is because it flows so well. The bathroom has an expanded shower with a chair and a rail if you need, and the bedrooms are really spacious. You can't go wrong. Here we are in the lower level area right above the garage. It's pretty cool. There's a half bath. There's a bonus room which can be used as whatever you want, a music room, an extra bedroom. You can put a couch and TVs in there if you want. And behind me is a pretty great big storage area. It's well lit, and it's a blank canvas for you to do whatever you want. Make it your own. It's gonna be your home, I hope. The private deck is beautiful for entertaining. It overlooks the backyard. The only thing I can hear is birds chirping. It's very private, it's spacious, and it's a beautiful view. Friends, thank you so much for visiting us at 14 Talmadge Hill Road. It's going on the market soon. Don't miss it. It's not going to last long. Again, I am Dan Moore with Dave Jones Realty, and we look forward to seeing you soon.